Hi, I'm Steph Evans and here's another course bite from our Intro to Non-Linear FEA with MSC Apex online course. Non-linear buckling analysis can be used to predict the behaviour of an unstable structure before, during and after the onset of instability. Many thin-walled structures can go unstable or buckle as load is applied. Linear buckling analysis can predict the load level at the point of instability, but non-linear analysis allows more insight into the structural response. Stiffness changes due to geometric non-linearity are considered, both as load is applied and at the point of instability. Specific load incrementation and convergence schemes allow the response after instability and any remaining load carrying capacity to be calculated. Remember, we've got free trials of all our courses and there are free versions of Apex to allow you to follow the tutorials at your own pace. Just follow the link to see a full list of our courses and we hope to see you on a course really soon.